cooks, welcome back to Gigi's Recipes. My name's Amanda Blaylock, and Gigi was my great-grandma. Today we're making spicy chicken with tangerine. This is a recipe from Gigi's cookbook, Oriental Cooking for the Diabetic. And it's a fast, easy recipe that you can put on salad, rice, or noodles. Let's get started. You'll start by making a marinade from your wine, soy sauce, and rice wine vinegar. Take 2 chicken breasts and cut them into about 1/2-inch strips. Add your cut up chicken to the marinade and refrigerate for 30 minutes or more. When your chicken's ready, heat some soy sauce and sesame oil in a skillet. Take an orange or tangerine and add the skin to the skillet. You'll cook the fruit skin and some dried red hot chili peppers for a few minutes. Then you'll drain the chicken and reserve the marinade. Stir fry the chicken in the hot oil and let it cook for about a minute. Add the reserved marinade and cook for about a minute longer. Then if you want, you can add Szechuan peppers. I added a little crunchy garlic chili oil because it gives it a good kick. Once your chicken's cooked, it's ready to be added to a salad, noodles, or rice. I hope you all like the spicy chicken with tangerine. If you did, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.